Look at these guys.
And my dog checks, we can do anything.
Drunk asses. Got to go fish in the middle of the lake.
With the blood. You heard? Go fishing to catch some bass.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chex. Man, we out here again. Where we at, bro?
Lake Comanche.
We at Lake Comanche. My boy DJ back there. He just put up the bimini top. You already know what we're gonna do. About to go out fishing. Got the boat ready.
It up right now. Some big mouth bitches.
Ooh. Stay tuned. Out here at Comanche, and look at what we catch you.
That shit is beautiful.
And you have to cut the gills, bleed it out. We out here. Earlier I caught a little baby bluegill. Nothing too big. Just it jumped on it, but they biting out here. They keep jumping up and teasing us. We gonna keep at it. It's hot. It ain't that hot though, but luckily this bimini is keeping us cool and chill. But alright, you guys, stay tuned. We gonna catch some more fish. Papa, jumping in. You gonna jump in? That boy doing spins. Camping, and this boy gets Moana. Sheesh. Joey, you little lucky prick. Can I borrow it? Can I watch Moana too? Oh, she got over here, buddy.
More chicken.
Ooh, that nigga ain't playing, bro. We got one. We got 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. What's shot with that?
Hey, y'all, what's that is?
Fortnite. What the fuck? Yeah, we at Moisty Myers camping.